Did you know that India is the world's largest producer of milk? The dairy sector has been a major contributor to the growth of India's rural economy. Welcome to A to Z of Rural Livelihoods. Today, we are going to explain important facts about starting a dairy farming business in rural India. In the heart of rural India, dairy farming is not just a way of life. It's the lifeblood of millions of families for whom their daily routine revolves around caring for cattle, producing milk, and supporting entire communities through this traditional practice. The daily and huge demand makes dairy farming a viable livelihood which offers a steady source of income and is a great addition to the primary livelihood of agriculture for many rural families. There are two main types of dairy farming. One involves owning cows or buffaloes to produce milk and sell it directly, while the other involves operating a milk collection center that aggregates milk from several producers for sale to an aggregator. Both models provide opportunities for generating income, but they require different levels of investment and infrastructure. Starting a dairy farm can be done with an initial investment of 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees, depending on the scale and infrastructure. The basic setup includes a shed and 1 or 2 cows or buffaloes. When considering which animals to purchase, it is important to choose the right breed. The selection of breeds is crucial for maximizing milk production. In India, indigenous breeds like Gir, Kankraj, Tharparkar and Red Sindhi can produce between 5 to 20 liters of milk per day. Non-native breeds like Jersey and Holstein Friesian cows can produce up to 40 liters per day. While buffaloes such as Muradabadi, Jafrabadi and Pandharpuri are also popular. The price of cows or buffaloes varies based on their health, age and milk productivity, ranging from 10,000 to 1.5 lakh rupees. For those interested in setting up a milk collection center, the initial investment can be higher, around 4 lakh rupees. This setup typically includes equipment such as a can cooler to maintain milk quality, a stern machine to measure the milk's fat and SNF content, and the necessary infrastructure like a shed. Twice a day, farmers bring their milk to the center to be measured in quantity and quality. Once the fat and SNF is measured, the dairy farmers are given a receipt with the details with which they can claim their income once every 10 to 15 days. The entrepreneur who starts the collection center receives an extra commission for every liter sold. The key advantage of dairy farming is its stable income. The price of milk tends to fluctuate only marginally, making it a less volatile business compared to farming. There's limited need for marketing efforts as demand for milk is constant. Additionally, dairy farming requires minimal time, usually about 2 hours in the morning and 2 hours in the evening, making it an ideal livelihood for women, especially with the availability of milking machines that reduce manual labor. Despite its many advantages, dairy farming does have challenges, including the risk of sudden cattle deaths, illnesses, and veterinary costs. This is intensified by reducing grazing lands and lesser water availability that impacts their health. To mitigate these risks, farmers can invest in animal insurance. Daily maintenance is also crucial for ensuring high milk production, with cattle requiring about 30 to 35 kilograms of feed per day. The owner has to feed the cows, graze them, and keep them clean on a daily basis. Dairy farming offers a reliable and steady income for rural communities in India, especially in combination with other agricultural activities. Minimal market fluctuations and consistent demand for milk make dairy farming a popular livelihood for a large section of rural India.